Hello, everyone. So today we again have an amazing soul with us, no, Mrs. Sonali. We all just we are all in business, we are entrepreneurs or anything. जब तक कुछ चीजें हम ट्राई नहीं करते, हमें विश्वास नहीं होता है. बट समटाइम्स ऐसा भी होता है कि हम बहुत चीजों को विश्वास करते हैं, बिलीव करते हैं, लेकिन पता नहीं अपने लिए फिगर आउट नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो कोई भी डॉक्टर अपना इलाज खुद नहीं कर पाता है ना. ऐसे ही it applies to us also. We might be healers, we might be therapists, but when we have a trouble, we have to go to someone for help. So we all need mentors. And I believe the secret to having no longer sustainable success is to really get a right mentor who connects with you and really values your goals, right? And that is the secret. So in the same journey, that has been our mission, and we have been working towards providing that support. And in this journey, we met no Sonali, and it was such an amazing experience to work with Sonali. And she is a beautiful soul, a very core believer of Lord Krishna, and she follows so many, no, so much of healing, and carries an amazing aura. But somewhere when something was, might be it was a destiny that we had to encounter each other. सबकी soul destiny होती है, and we don't meet anyone without a reason. That's what I strongly believe. And that is how I met Sonali, and she was instantly very willing to work with us and see what could work. Though she had already tried, she knows almost everything about healing, aura, and spirituality, but something was missing, and that is where I said Sonali to just try and try working with us, the Infinite Brain. And she wanted to try a 90 days manifestation challenge, success magnet challenge, basically, which is not just about manifestation, but about a holistic work where you become a magnetic person. And today I have invited her to share her experience of how was her mind and thoughts or fears just before she came, and what made her to take this journey and how she is feeling now. Welcome, Sonali, to today's live. So I'm so
Hema,
happy to have you here today. So Sonali, I
thank
want
you.
to know in first instance, what made you trust? Because you said you had invested in so many mentors earlier. So what made you to even try this?
To be honest, when you were contacting me, there were many people who also contact me, and I had a major incident where I lost like almost 3 lakhs. I have told you already, and I was little apprehensive. But when you were contacting me, somehow God has gifted me some, that I can always feel positive people around me, and that your aura really attracted me, and I said, okay, let's talk. And
Hmm.
then you said, okay, let's meet. And I was little, I was having an apprehension कि मेरे साथ फिर वैसा ना हो जाए. I don't have money to pay. I was in a big pit of, because from 4 months my business paused. Reason being, this was a scam which happened with me, and that person, I don't know how I missed to detect his aura also, but I that person told me not to do other business, just focus on his. So my all energies were like getting drained. That so 4 months I was having no business, means no money. So I was very
Hmm.
apprehensive when you said, like, that we'll have a meeting. So I said, where would I pay her? Anyways, nothing comes for free. But when I spoke to you, uh, you did not promise many things. But what I had that I should be in touch with you.
Wow. Wow.
That
Hmm.
interactions, you remember that how
Yes.
positive it was.
Yes.
So I
Yes.
thought, let me just, and I wanted to get up in Brahma Muhurat, if you
Yeah.
remember.
Yeah. Mainly that goal matched, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So I said, what could be better? Maybe this is God sent thing. And to be honest, I was not mentally well. I was not physically well. But we started from the root chakra. We started from with sacral chakra. It really healed me. I mean, like people started complimenting me that, oh, what is going on? right now the sunlight is coming, so your light is coming, so you will
Looking
feel
bright
that
and
I
fresh.
am
Yeah.
growing. But when I go down, people were complimenting me, what's going on, you have reduced. Though I suddenly gained 10 kgs before because of
Hmm.
stress,
Hmm.
and my stomach had become a balloon. uh, I don't know, chakra healing, what it did, that somatic tapping and all. It was like puncturing my that balloon. So
Wow. Wow. Wow.
I would not say that I've become super thin or zero
Yes.
size.
Yes. Yes.
But yes, 30-40% of my weight did not come down.
Hmm.
But
That, yeah, the bloat, yeah, the puffiness, yeah. Hmm.
yes, that came
Hmm.
down. I was in
Yeah.
shape, and
Yeah.
I am in shape now.
Okay.
So, and apart from that, what magic, uh, you know, positive people started coming into my life. There was a
Wow.
decision which I was not taking from 3 years, and that decision happened forcefully, and that was a relinquishing decision. And I was angry on God that I was before, because I was doing the sessions with you for this morning sessions, and I was
Mhm.
before that I was doing chanting. So I said, God, I was being so good with you, and what you did just reverse of. Now, when I see that decision in long term, it's going to be very progressive for me. So I'm very positive. Maybe God wanted me to come out of that phase. So many things parallelly moved. Many things. My business started working. And apart from business, I started with some marketing guy also who started working and getting me leads, because there was a company called Bark which closed its operations, and my business was solely dependent on Bark.
Oh,
And it
okay.
closed its
Okay.
business on 31st January, and
Hmm.
uh, from December only I stopped working with that, because there was no point. I thought, like, I'm wasting my money with them. So
Hmm.
it was very different mental state, because I did not know leads kahan se aayenge. I'm not a person who will go after people. Aa jao, aa jao, aa jao. No, like, I will only accept people who knock my door and then come as clients.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
So,
Hmm.
because you cannot be a salesperson when you are into healing,
Yes. The
because this
most
is
difficult thing is
seva.
to sell yourself when you are into this, no,
And
healing
this is a
thing.
seva, because what
Yeah,
we charge people is nothing to what we lose basically in
exactly.
energy.
Yes.
So that was a major thing, and thankfully I was always charging very nominal, because I
Hmm.
would only give at front only discount to people. So if
Yeah.
some woman would say, I don't have a
That
job.
again comes from your energy only, right? Not
Yes, yes.
charging enough because yeah, that shows the weekend aura also. Yeah.
Correct. So I was
Hmm.
saying, how would she pay? How would do that? So
Hmm.
so when you started with money, when you said that money has to flow. So I thought, like, yes, their money should not come with a negative energy to me,
Yes.
and my energy should not also get with the negative energy
Depleted.
to them.
Yes.
So it
Yeah.
has to be balanced. So I
Yes.
started asking people a
Hmm.
genuine amount. I would not say again very high,
Yeah,
but a
but to
genuine
an
amount.
extent, yeah.
Yes,
Hmm.
which is not putting me in guilt, which is not giving them a pain also. So I
Hmm.
started getting international, though I'm not charging bomb to them. I'm
Yeah.
very nominal. They only say that you're charging very nominal to us,
Hmm.
and that trust is building up.
Great, great, great.
I started getting calls from people for like, as a guest. I was getting it earlier also, but as a
Mm-hmm.
guest speaker, and this time what was happening, every time I was going as a guest speaker, I could not give my phone to people to take my video or phone
Oh, okay.
photo.
Hmm.
So there was no word of good word of
To
mouth
spread it, yeah.
spread it.
Market it, yeah.
Yes, and this time one lady was my known circle. She called me in her preschool. Generally, I was
Wow.
going at bigger platforms. This was just a preschool. But
Hmm.
what happened when I said, you make my video? She made my video and I put it on
Oh,
my
so
stage. It went across that people acknowledged that I am doing something.
wow,
Then a
wow,
podcaster contacted me himself. He said,
wow,
ma'am, I want to start this. I have a channel on spirituality and I want to do this first time. So I said,
wow.
okay. And yesterday I did my first podcast. So I think like
Amazing.
positive things are entering my life.
Yes, Sonali. So I really vouched to that point. See, first thing, as you said, right, the statement ki, no, with the Lord, no, you were angry ki I was doing so much of chanting, but what happened? So might be, see, again, we say, no, it was a purpose. So
Yes,
अगर वो scam नहीं होता तो might be we would not have
we
encountered
would
each
have
other,
not met.
right?
Yes.
So might be the
Yes.
purpose was this कि जो missing piece को clear करने का,
Correct, 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 correct.
right? And so I see how the God plays. Otherwise we
Yes.
will think कि सब सही है, but we will see कि आधा अधूरा चल रहा है, no, incomplete journey जा रही
And
है.
then I learned so many things from you, which I'm practically using now on my clients also. Though
Wow.
I'm not a Reiki healer, but I'm doing EFT on my very depressed clients.
Amazing, amazing.
So
It
this is
worked
helping
magically,
them.
yes.
Yeah, it is helping them.
Yes, 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 yes.
It is
So
helping me also.
yeah, see, exactly. We work on thoughts, beliefs, emotions. I'm a psychologist myself. But somewhere, why I put this 90 days challenge, I put it only for my entrepreneurs. So being a business coach, helping them to earn money, I felt that with my 5 years of journey, I felt just frameworks were not enough because we have paid 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Even I know people who have paid 10 lakhs to mentors, but they didn't make that go to that goal which I was able to make. Because until I didn't realize that we have to work on the energy myself, I didn't achieve the goal. And when I
Correct.
realized that, I thought ki even my clients only need that first. So first working on the energy, because working with other healing is different, but when you work with money, it's again a complete new game.
Yes.
Right? You discover so many things from that inhibitions to sell, to talk, to ask money. It's again a next level of transformation. राइट तो जितना भी हीलिंग होगी जब तक आप मनी में पर्सनली डील नहीं करते हो जब तक बिजनेस नहीं करते हो ना तब तक यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड रियली व्हाट इज रिलेशनशिप विद मनी until then we will think कि हम तो बस we are the heroes of handling money and life but
Yes.
when it comes to business there you get the real lessons and so I say entrepreneurs are spiritual seekers unconsciously they are put
Yes,
into that
and
journey.
when we are spiritual, we live in material world. You know, to
Yes,
help others also, we need to be equipped with something,
yes,
material possessions.
yes.
So I cannot help somebody when I don't have any something with me.
Exactly. This is where people are mistaking, na? See, I remember some of my friends who were not happy with me, no charging. They said, "तुम free में." I said, "It's my passion." And like free में करो ना फिर. So free में करो मतलब how long can I do for free? What about my
I realize that friends and relatives are the first people who just pull you down, and they should not be always told that what you're doing.
exactly right? They are the last ones to believe what you do
Yes.
because see they care so much for you. They are always in fear. कुछ हो गया तो and they will not allow you to take risk at all.
Yes.
Right? So this money energy, the flow has to be there because when you are giving a consulting, you are giving a healing, you talk to people, you are giving away them your mental energy, which is
Correct.
not seen. And then that's why people say कि ये लोग थेरेपिस्ट और healers इतना चार्ज क्यों करते हैं?
Correct.
एक्चुअली बहुत कम चार्ज करते हैं. आईफोन में आप 1 लाख 2 लाख पे कर रहे हो, लेकिन अपने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए आधा भी पे करने को रेडी नहीं हो.
And
People are smart.
the energy we lose.
Yes, so much of mental energy you know you lose and aura also. I remember this Reiki healer to whom I used to send my money manifestation clients for healing, and she's like, Hema, this clients have so much of money karma, and by doing sessions for them, I'm falling ill often, and I'm not able to tolerate because then she said I'm going to double the fees. Actually, I was paying the fees. I immediately agreed. Earlier, 4 years back, I had told her, ma'am, you're charging very less for the service you do, but she was like, no, healers empaths hote na. Nahi, I'm just doing for my relaxation. I want to. And she didn't realize that she didn't change until she practically realized that her aura was depleting when cleansing others' energies. And this I tell everywhere. So because people need to understand how healers, therapists, psychologists, this consultants work because there is an energy and until you don't pay the equal amount, somehow, no matter how much effort, you will only get 25% benefit out of it.
True that.
एक्सचेंज होना चाहिए. सो मनी करेंसी नहीं है. आप अपने इनहिबिशंस के ऊपर जाके वो मनी ट्रांसफर कर रहे हो एंड अंटिल
Currency of energy.
currency of energy, exactly, currency of energy and emotions. And that automatically when you work on that, and now as you said, you start attracting opportunities and
I
people.
started, good ideas started coming to me, and
Yeah.
I had paused all the videos of mine,
Wow.
but I restarted with a different energy.
That's such a big thing. Yeah.
My followers started, I started
Increasing
gaining
everywhere.
good followers. So things are going on good plan. Though I'm not saying that I have become super rich overnight.
गाड़ी शुरू हो गई ना
हाँ,
वापस,
वो
वही
फर्स्ट
तो चाहिए।
सेकंड गियर में,
हाँ।
0 से
और
सेकंड गियर में है।
या 40 दिन में और क्या कर सकते हैं ना,
हाँ
40 दिन में या जस्ट स्पेंडिंग 1 hour a day, व्हाट कैन वी डू, इतना स्टार्ट हो गया एंड इट्स अ बिग थिंग।
that is a very beautiful time I do with you. It is a very empowering time, very empowering time.
It's my favorite, always. In fact, my goal has to been to start at 3:30, but
I
I
think
thought
one of the best thing ever in my life that has happened is meeting you and starting this 90 day challenge.
90 days challenge, yes, अभी पिक्चर बाकी है,
हाँ, अभी तो
so
चल है
yes,
अभी.
thanks a lot. And again, I appreciate the point you said that you were going to so many places as a guest speaker, but you were not able to market it. अभी मार्केटिंग की दुनिया है, जो भी
मार्केटिंग
कर
की,
रहे हो पर्सनल
क्योंकि वो
ब्रांडिंग की
तो
दुनिया है।
जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा.
किसने देखा?
I was going to international school. I went to a very big polytechnical college, but there I went like bride.
Yeah,
I
got it.
can't ask people, na, please make my video, please
Yeah,
make my
exactly.
photos.
हाँ, yeah, it will not be good for our authority and
Yes.
credibility.
So I just go, I deliver, and I come back. So
Yes.
this was a very small, comparatively, very, very
Yes,
small
but still you were
platform.
able to showcase it, and
Yes.
people see, people before they work with you, they want to get confidence about you ना. कैसे आता है marketing? सदगुरु भी marketing करते हैं, right? नहीं तो easily how would he reach? और
Yes.
अभी online की दुनिया हो गई है. It's not an offline play
I
दुनिया.
just got a guest before we had this
Call.
session, and
Okay.
she just came and she said, you know what you said in that, and this is second time from morning somebody has told me regarding my video
You're, I
that
feel so
what you
proud.
said was something I was actually feeling, and you validated it.
My
Two
God.
people has told me. That means people are connecting, people are liking what I'm saying. So that gave me a platform. I think पहले ये दिमाग भी काम नहीं करता था. कई बार हम एक ही जोन में सोचते हैं. और
Yes.
जो आप ये करवाते हो ना, चक्र हीलिंग एंड ऑल
Yes.
दैट, इससे क्या होता है, मेरा सब कुछ अलाइनमेंट में आ रहा है. सो आई नो आई एम मोर सॉर्टेड. पहले क्या था, एक बहाव में जा रही थी, चीजें हो रही थी, नहीं हो रही थी. There was no thought process. And
Yeah.
I knew that my throat chakra was blocked. My sacral
Wow.
chakra was blocked. I
Hmm.
think that reopening जो हुई है, it has really helped me. And I'm sure और भी होगा. Throat
Yes,
chakra.
और भी होगा. So अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है, and as you continue, see, it's a healing is a continuous process, right? Next level. And you were talking something about a scar, no, on your abdomen. So what was that? How is it now?
Scar on my abdomen.
Yeah, you were telling that you had some, no, some kind of burn or
No,
scar.
no, no, not burn. I
Okay.
had a bulky uterus.
Oh, okay.
तो माय स्टमक ऐसे लटका रहता था और मेरे बहुत ब्लीडिंग होती थी. आई रियली यूज्ड टू ब्लीड अ लॉट. So
Okay.
my one doctor said you have to remove your uterus.
How long have you been facing that?
From 3-4 years.
Okay.
So because my son was born after that, it is a late age pregnancy. So
Hmm.
since it is a third pregnancy also, so uterus got little bulky, and
Okay.
uh, what happened that I was bleeding a lot, and because of bleeding, my legs were paining. My बहुत वो swelling हो रही थी, और I was not able to. I joined gym. I stopped the gym because मेरे को चक्कर आते थे.
Yeah.
वीकनेस से. माय बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही थी उसकी वजह से. एंड माय वन ऑफ द डॉक्टर हैड गिवन मी सम टैबलेट्स which I was taking for like almost 5-6 months, जिससे और weight बढ़ गया. And
My
when I
God.
went to another doctor, she said if you take this tablets regularly, you can have a brain hemorrhage or hemorrhage in the uterus. So I was like this time.
Complicated.
So वो हुआ January में, that doctor told. I think February we started the
Yes, yes,
journey. And वो जो sacral chakra पे हम tapping करते थे,
yes, yes.
this time and the last time when I had periods, they were not as heavy as before.
Wow,
I
wow,
was पेट भी थोड़ा squeeze हो गया, पेनफुल नहीं था, and I was okay. और जो मेरे
wow.
5 दिन लगातार bleeding होती थी, now it is 3 to 4 days.
Well, that's so relaxing, isn't it? And see how it worked. January में you got warned कि medicines are not safe for you, and February we encountered.
6th
So
February was
I'm
the
getting
first
goosebumps.
time.
Oh
6th
my God.
February was the first time we started that.
Mhm.
And
See, for the women, no, basically we store all the emotions in the sacral chakra. And
mm,
all the women need to realize the more they start claiming their power, feminine energy there by working on sacral, they will see lot of changes in themselves. No
yes.
PMS हुआ, no बहुत कुछ PCOD हुआ, PCOS हुआ. For pregnancy clients also when they come, I first tell them कि sacral. एक client आई थी जिसको डॉक्टर ने खुद बोला था कि आप प्रेगनेंसी के लिए sacral पे काम करके आओ. And I'm very
Mm,
glad that now doctors are
are realizing
actually
that.
becoming her, no, realizing this, not completely pushing us into medicines. And so it is so scary when you say that this medicines could cause brain hemorrhage. I just can't,
They are
no, keep it in
hormonal
mind.
and they are like one is hormonal, one was normally to just stop the bleeding, but they play with your organs.
My God. So the people need to have so much of awareness that alternate ways are there. So it all needs that you believe and commit. And Sonali, I should really appreciate the way you were committed. See, you had health issues, you have a baby. So how young is the now baby
I
now?
have two daughters and one son. The
Hmm.
baby is 4 years, 3.5 years.
So having this young baby, still morning you were showing up and no, you were so
Yeah,
consistent. बहुत लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं, no? दिमाग में बना जाता है कि
it
बच्चा
is.
है नहीं उठ
It
पाते.
was my own interest.
Yes,
I
so
was gaining more than I was committed to it.
got it.
मुझे पता था कि वहाँ एक कुछ है जो मुझे मिलेगा और फिर वो नहीं मिलेगा.
Wow, wow, wow. Seriously, no, I really was amazed by the way you were committed. See,
हम्म,
आप लाखों में even 10 लाख मुझे पे कर दो.
हम्म,
लेकिन अगर आपने वो काम नहीं किया and then you
हम्म.
will not get results and then your disappointment only will put me down mentally कि पैसा ले लिया है. See, if you're completely working from a business perspective, might be you not feel guilt,
No, in
but
fact,
हम
I was amazed at your dedication to have it every day.
yes, see, every morning
Forget
when I
us, we
wake
were
up,
the benefiting, you were on the giving end. So I
yeah,
was amazed that every day it is not the repetitive things. Every day
yes.
it's taking that time, that energy to plan and then put across. That is more,
हाँ. Yeah,
uh,
because रोज बोर हो जाएगा बोल के I wanted to tweak small things here
yeah,
and there for
yeah,
every day because 90 days doing same thing then people will not show up, right? My
yes.
goal was to make people do, तभी तो
That is
benefit
also
मिलेगा.
one thing we don't know what we will miss. आ, और
Exactly.
ऐसी बात कई बार होता है कि मैं नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाती तो आई डू इट ड्यूरिंग द डे
हाँ.
बट ड्यूरिंग द डे इट इज टू मच ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस
Yes. सुबह
बिकॉज
जो
आई
करते हैं
हैव
उतना नहीं आता मिलता है या
वी
benefit.
लिव इन फ्लैट सिस्टम्स टीवी है घर में बच्चे देख रहे हैं कोई बेल मार रहा है कोई कुरियर वाला आ रहा है आपकी वो जो डीप मेडिटेशन है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है
Yes.
कोई
Yes.
मेरी कोई कुकिंग कर रही है कुकर बज रहा है समथिंग सो
Exactly.
जो सुबह का ब्रह्म मुहूर्त टाइम
Yes.
दैट इज अमेजिंग
Thank you. Thank you. And I want to actually honestly confess, अभी मैं थर्ड बैच है 90 डेज चैलेंज का. मैंने नो आई डिड इट इन अक्टूबर टू ईयर एंड 90 डेज के लिए किया था. उससे पहले एक बैच किया था. सो बट स्टिल नाउ व्हेन आई वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग आई एम लाइक आज स्किप कर दें क्लास. शैल आई पुट अ मैसेज की टुडे आई एम नॉट वेल और टुडे कुछ वो स्कूल जैसा बहाना ना. स्कूल में जैसे हम बहाना करते थे कि बोल दे कोई कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. यस्टरडे इन पीपल नॉट से एनीथिंग बट स्टिल आई एम लाइक नो देयर आर पीपल वेटिंग. मैंने दी चैलेंज दिया है एंड दे लुक अप टू मी.
यस
So again, your commitment again pushes me ki, no, Hema, there are people trusting you,
ट्रू दैट
right? Yeah, and that made me to come forward and I really want to confess कि रोज मेरा दिमाग आज भी बहुत है मेरा दिमाग की अभी 40 days हुआ है एक ब्रेक ले लें. नहीं 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 लेना है. जब तक it is not a mandatory thing which is unavoidable नहीं
यस
लेना है.
यस
And so I have to be true to that
आई
concept.
ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड फॉर दैट
Exactly.
wake up in
I'm
the
very
morning.
glad. So इसमें से you have practiced so much of healing and stuff. So we are doing meditation which is of a different kind, no, inspired by Vishen Lakhiani, how I created, and Jose Silva, Silva Ultramind. Then we are doing EFT, then we are doing somatic tapping, plus we are doing no Bij Mantra and Mudras. So which is your favorite? And had you known what of the things which you already knew about know out of it?
Me, my favorite is Beach Mantra.
Wow. Yes. You
And
always asked, yeah, said कि बीच में तो sign नहीं दे रहा है. Yeah.
Beach Mantra, EFT tapping. And the somatic tapping. So
Yes.
these are my favorite. Yoga positions are not my favorite. I always
It is
hate
difficult.
that
Yeah.
because I have some hormonal issues, so I cannot hold stress,
Got
any
it.
kind of
Got it.
stress.
Got
So
it.
because when you do yoga, there is a stress to the
Yes.
body,
Yes, of
and I
course.
get inflammations with that.
Possible.
That is
Yeah.
why I stopped gym. I stopped even walking. I have to do only till the time I'm not tired.
Very
If I
good.
get tired, it starts giving me reverse
Got it.
thing.
Hmm.
So, but this, I think everything, for that matter, if you say that manifestation with Hema, that meditations where you imagine the numbers,
Yeah, yes.
and that is also wonderful. Uh, I think everything. I have no other than yoga.
Yeah.
And yoga also, I do snake position. I
Mhm.
do.
But very gently you can see, you should not go to the stress level, right?
Yes.
Just gentle bend. Even that
Yes, a little bit. It is important also for me to
hmm,
stretch. I liked tree pose. I liked snake asan. I liked this cat and lion. That was
you are
nice.
able to do it. I
Yeah.
appreciate that. Enough. See, ये रेगुलरली ये कैट एंड लायन और ये रूट चक्रा वाला जो है ना ट्री पोज, अगर
हाँ.
यही रेगुलरली कर लोगे तो भी काफी है.
Yes.
दैट टेक्स सब कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. व्हाई
And
आई
that
हैव चोजन वेरी सिंपल वन.
pranayam, best part.
दैट इज माय फेवरेट.
Seriously, if you have to give me a choice, I have no, I can't leave anything. I
Nothing.
think
So
it's
did
a
you
very
know these things earlier?
pranayam I knew.
Hmm.
Uh, beach mantra chanting I knew only for heart chakra.
Got it. Okay.
I did not know for others,
Hmm.
but I did not know that you have to do like this.
Got it. So mudras you are able to hold. Is there any inconvenience when you do the mudras?
I think that's my best thing.
Verb. See,
Yes,
that itself will bring the change. Even if you're not doing asanas, that's why I don't insist on physical activity here. Even doing these things, you actually do not need too much of gym or too much of movement. Already you're taking care of your kids, you're
yes,
doing your chores, right? According with that, only if you work on energy, right, you will see a body aligning. People
yes.
mistake कि अगर मुझे बहुत डाइट करना है, वर्कआउट करना है, नहीं. उन सबको करके ये नहीं करोगे तो काम नहीं करेगा. उनको नहीं करके ये करोगे ना तो फिर भी काम करेगा,
मैं बहुत
somehow काम करेगा.
हेल्दी फील कर रही हूँ, सबसे ज्यादा
Yes.
इम्पोर्टेंट है.
हमारी नींद इंप्रूव हो जाती है, हमारा एवरीथिंग, यू फील एनर्जी आल्सो एज यू सेड.
Yes.
So I want to bring this awareness to people and tell कि business is not just about money or you working on framework. अपनी एनर्जी को मुड़ के देखो, 20% एफर्ट डालो, 80% रिजल्ट मिलेगा आपको. बस
Correct.
20% एफर्ट, सिर्फ सुबह का ये आधा एक घंटा चाहिए आपको. You will really multiply your efforts.
True that.
So this is why I wanted you to come and share your experience, Sonali, and I'm really grateful to you that you were so open and you came forward to share your experience, and you didn't mind to be vulnerable. Why?
I
Because
want
a lot
people
of
to
people
also
don't.
know.
Yes, yes. So we need to come forward to share our experiences and
No,
pains
because
that
we are healers, no? We are for public seva only. This is the purpose of
exactly.
life. If our
Yes,
words can also improve each other, like clients, clients तो same है ना किसी के भी.
yes,
Whether like it is your clients, if it is going, some energy is going through me towards them,
yes, yes.
it is again helping them. So it's
Exactly.
fulfilling my purpose of life.
Yes, thank you, Sonali. You really gave me goosebumps, and I cannot imagine how this medical condition, you have gone through, and kudos to you. Really appreciate your
Thank you
resilience.
so
For
much.
so many years, you have been tolerating this and still taking care of the kids. Not easy.
Yes, a long way to
Hats off.
go. Throat chakra still needs a lot of attention. But
Yeah.
because I'm a thyroid patient also, I'm a BP patient, thyroid patient, borderline sugar patient, bulky uterus, that's fatty liver. So
Oh my
almost
God. I
everything
think
was
और 40
happening.
days है. 40 days के बाद शायद आपका पूरा मेडिकल रिपोर्ट एक बार लेना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, काफी चीजें मेरी ठीक होंगी, I'm sure.
Yeah, yes.
I'm sure
Because
because
I
I'm
have seen
feeling that
people,
energy.
sugar, BP, and all get normal once they do these no stuff.
Yes.
Just with a simple meditation. So amazing, Shalini. Really kudos to you, and no, I wish you that again
Thanks to
lot of
you, Hema.
experience.
Thanks to
Thank you,
pull
thank
me
you.
in.
Yes, it's a pleasure, and thanks to the universe for allowing that no ideas to flow.
Yes.
That's all we need. Thank you, Sonali. Happy to stay connected. Wishing
Thank
you all the best.
Take care. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.